Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose and this is Roxy Rose Guide. Debt update for the month of January 2022. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Here on Roxy Rose Guides, I guide you through all things budget, finance, debt update, which is in this video, and some other stuff I'm really trying to get into my life, like planning and DIY stuff. I'm gonna get into that, a little bit later, a little bit of boxing and whatnot. Before we get into the video, I want to show you guys something. So I just wanted to show you guys, I made a new vision board for the new year. Yeah, just a little bit. I definitely need to add a little bit to it because the bottom is kind of like blank. Usually I'm able to fill up the whole board, but this year I wasn't sure what to put exactly. So I put up what I could. Go ahead and leave a comment below. If there's anything similar that you put in your vision board, or if you have a vision board or anything that you like. So yeah, I just want to say hello to my lovely subscribers. You are wanted and appreciated. So thank you for going ahead and coming back to this channel. And if you're new to this channel, I hope that you keep watching and you like and subscribe below. Everyone, please leave me comments. I definitely go ahead and answer them and try to get back to you so I can get your feedback. And oh yeah, and if you want something that's pretty helpful, you can go ahead and get this Fetch app. Use my Fetch app code after you download the app, and you can just go ahead and snap a little picture of your receipts and get yourself some gift cards. That's really all it's about. I'm able to get about 19,000 now points. So I'm waiting for like 20,000 points so I can cash it out and I can go ahead and get it for an Amazon gift card or maybe a Visa gift card I think I can get. So I'm going to go ahead and check and see. But yeah, go ahead and use my link. Get some free gift cards so you can use it for other stuff. And you can save your money. We got to save the money. Highly anticipated and watched video. Today we are doing our debt update for the new year. All right, so it's 2022 now. We're going to go into the debt update for the end of January 22. So let's get into it. You guys knew I had to zoom in. All right, so now we're in a brand new year and I'm super excited. Last year I was able to go ahead and get no credit card debt all the way up into the end of the year, and I had that for a few months. So let's see, what do you guys think? Go ahead and leave a comment. Do you think that I was able to stay debt free? Ooh, let's go ahead and find out. All right, so well, let me burst that bubble real quick. I had to go ahead and spend some funds. So currently I do owe $325. Y'all, it's from tolls, okay? So $325. I don't owe on this one or this one. Bank of America, literally before this video, I paid it off. And Citibank, I don't owe. Amex, I also just paid it off. Literally, the only reason why I didn't pay this off is because I didn't put the money that I needed to in that account yet. So I'm just waiting to do that. So that is going to be paid off in a few days. But I still got to add what I literally have. I'm not trying to lie to y'all or make it seem like it's always zero, and it's not. I still use my credit cards. I'm trying to slowly get away from using the credit cards because they're not helpful, because they make, amounts like this pop up, but I'm still using those credit cards. So I got to figure out how to slowly get away from them. But yeah, so I have $300. Right now, my minimum payments are not up to post yet because all of this is as of January. So they still probably need a few days to post. I guess when the billing cycle ends. When the billing cycle ends, then I will get my bill and we'll see about that. But I'm hoping I could pay it off before then. Next thing we need to get into is our non-revolving secured debt, aka auto loan. All right. So this auto loan debt, it is a lot of debt, but I've been able to pay it down significantly. So let's see where we're at right now. $8,794.06. So, you know, this is coming out of my paycheck every month. I'm trying my best to bring it down. Last time, unfortunately, I wasn't able to use my saving fund to go ahead and help with the car loan because an unexpected problem with my bank popped up that ended up being about $3,000. It's big. So, yeah, that sucks. All right, so now we're going to get into the good stuff. And by good stuff, I mean the bad stuff. Non-revolving unsecured debt, aka student loans. These student loans are horrible. I hate them. You can miss me with all the student loan stuff. Yeah, and they're getting so much money from us that they're not going to let us. They're not going to forgive nothing. Like, Navient, I don't even, like, I was looking up, because I have Navient. I was looking up, can I go ahead and save money from Navient? They're not going to approve me. But you know what? I might try. We'll see. So, for my Fed loan, I owe $64,690.27. So that has not been paid off because, you know, the payments are frozen right now and I don't have to deal with that because of the Rona, which is good. And I know I won't have to deal with that all the way into May. So that's good. Next, I have another one. Comes out to $6,923.87. So it went down about a few thousand from last year, which is good. Now let's go to Navient. $8,356.39. And then I had Navi refi, but then I went ahead and refinanced a student loan. I was watching another lady, and she was talking about how she refinances a lot of her student loans in her family. And I was like, oh, you can do that? So I refinanced my student loan. I changed it from Navi refi to Earnest. You guys are probably seeing the commercials or whatever's going on online. But unfortunately, like, I've really seen it accumulate a lot since I signed up. So, like, since I was approved, the amount has gone up drastically. Like, I know that those student loans are charging you every day, but with the other ones, it's like I don't see it as much. And with this one, it's a lot. So, anyway, it's $26,219.73. And, you know, the original amount that I took out was less. So it's been accumulating since I went ahead and took it out by a lot. So I don't know how that's going to work, because if they're going to keep doing that, I might have to switch companies again. Like, the interest rate is supposed to be lower, but my accumulation, the amount that I'm accumulating for this past month has been a lot. Anyway, these student loans make me sad. I'm depressed. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add the total. So my total for student loans is $106,190.26. Mind you, this amount will be continuing to go up every single day until, I guess, I finally paid off or is forgiven or whatever happens. So my total overall is $115,311.32. I'm happy about that. It's still in the 115,000s. I need to get it down lower. Oh, it would be lower if I had just paid off my credit card. It would have just been lower. It would have went to 14. You see that? You see that? Little things like that. Little things like that matter. So guys and gals, please pay off your credit cards. Don't be like me. Learn from me. Pay off these credit cards so you can be financially debt free, and feel better. So here's my plan. Okay. Boom. Pay this off. And the next thing I need to do is try to pay this off, because that frees up more money off of my paycheck, so I could actually have more cash on me every month. And also, I need to start paying off this earnest. Like, this amount going up like that is nuts to me. So I need to start paying that off. I don't know when I'm going to do it. I don't know how I'm going to do it. We'll see, because these student loans, I kind of feel like they could be on the back burner, but they're still piling up. And this is a private student loan, which is why I refinanced it. So I definitely need to pay that off soon, because that is it's already been biting me. It's already been biting me. So I gotta pay that off as soon as possible. Anyway. Oh, sorry. I added up numbers and stuff on the side. Anyway, please go ahead and leave a comment. What do you think my best thing would be to do, especially when it comes to all of this? I'm definitely paying off this credit card as soon as possible. Like, I'm stopping by the bank with the cash so I can put in an account immediately. I should have just transferred it over. I thought it would save time, me taking it out and doing it manually, but it didn't. Whatever. Anyway, so, yeah. Well, thank you so much for coming and watching my debt update. I hope it gives you some clarity. Thank you, y'all, for coming and trying to, helping you to help me to be debt free. And yeah, I mean, this is not a perfect journey, so don't feel the type of way. I hope like, this is something that you definitely got to work towards. When I started, I had a lot of mistakes, and I beat myself up. I beat myself up when a lot of money was wasted. Here, money just needs to be prioritized when it is paid off and when it's spent and different things like that. So my goal for next month is to spend less money on credit cards, to spend more of my cash, like the actual cash that I have in my cash envelopes, like these cash envelopes. Like, I got money in there, but I'm still taking out my card to swipe it if it's a little bit more, instead of just putting something back. So I just gotta, have a little bit more willpower and not spend as much. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. Let's see how that works next month. Go ahead and use my Fetch app to get those free gift cards. And I hope you guys enjoyed. God bless. Take care. Roxy Rose out.